Equation of ellipse in standard form. Let S be the focus. So here see the diagram. Here S be the fixed point, that is focus, and L be the directrix, and E be the eccentricity. That is, eccentricity means constant. This constant is always lesser than 1 for ellipse. So the E lies between 0 to 1. And P, x comma y be the moving point. That is, it is a moving point on the ellipse. And draw SZ and PM perpendicular to L. So see the diagram. Here draw SZ and PM perpendicular to L. Let A and A dash be the points which divides SZ internally and externally in the ratio E:1 respectively. Now let A dash be 2A. So the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector with A dash is C, and now CA equal to A and CA dash equal to A because the distance between A and A dash is 2A. Now you choose this C as origin and this axis, this SZ as x-axis, and the perpendicular bisector of this A dash as y-axis. By definition, we know that this A point divides SZ internally in the ratio E:1. Therefore, SA by AZ equal to E by 1. On cross multiplying, you get SA equal to E into AZ. Now we have to write the value for this SA using this diagram. Now you see the diagram. SA equal to CA minus CS. CA minus CS, which is equal to E into, similarly AZ equal to total CZ minus CA. So see here, SA equal to CA minus CS. AZ equal to total CZ minus CA. Now CA value is, you know that A minus CS equal to E into CZ minus A. So A minus CS equal to on E into CZ minus AE. So this is the first equation. Now similarly, SA dash by A dash Z equal to E by 1. That is, it divides externally in the ratio E by 1. On cross multiplying, SA dash equal to E A dash Z. So see the diagram. This A dash divides SZ externally in the ratio E by 1. Therefore, SA dash by A dash Z equal to E by 1. So SA dash equal to E into A dash Z. Now we have to write the answer for SA dash. So see the diagram. SA dash equal to A dash C plus CS, which is equal to E into A dash Z equal to A dash C plus CZ. A dash C plus CZ. So now you know that A dash C value is also A. A plus CS equal to E into A dash C value is also A plus CZ. So A plus CS equal to A into E. AE plus ECZ. So this is the second equation. So now you have to add these two equations. Adding 2 and 1. So adding 2 and 1, the second equation is A plus CS equal to AE plus ECZ. First equation is A minus CS equal to minus AE plus ECZ. So plus AE minus AE cancel, plus CS minus CS cancel. So 2A equal to 2ECZ. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So CZ equal to A by E. So you get the value CZ value is 2 by E. Similarly, subtracting 2 minus 1. So second equation is A plus CS equal to AE plus ECZ. And the first equation you are subtracting, so change the sign. Minus A plus CS equal to plus AE minus ECZ. So plus and minus will get cancelled. Plus A minus A will get cancelled. 2CS equal to 2AE. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So CS value is AE. So now we have to find the M coordinate point, that is M coordinate point equal to CZ, that is the X value and then Y value. And then we have to find CZ value is here. We know that A by E comma Y. So the M coordinate point will become AE comma Y. Next we have to find the S coordinate point. Now S equal to up to that S. It is a X value is CS comma and it is a point on the X axis. Therefore the Y coordinate will become 0. So the S equal to CS value is AE comma 0. So using this M coordinate point and S coordinate point and P X comma Y, this movable point, you have to find the standard form of the ellipse using the definition SP by PM equal to E. Now we get P is the movable point X comma Y and S is the focus point we got from the derivation AE comma 0 and M is the coordinate point on the y-axis which is A by E comma Y. So according to the definition of the conic, for ellipse you have SP by PM equal to E. On cross multiplying you get SP equal to EPM. On squaring on both the sides you get SP squared equal to E squared into PM squared. Now you have to find the answer using all these coordinate points. Now SP is, you are using the distance formula, that is x minus, that is x1 minus x2 the whole square. You get x minus AE the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square, which is equal to E squared into PM squared. P value is X comma Y and M value is A by E comma Y. So you get X minus A by E the whole squared plus Y minus Y the whole squared. So this is A minus B whole squared formula. So you are getting X squared plus A squared E squared minus 2AEX plus Y squared, which is equal to E squared into X squared plus A squared by E squared minus 2 into X into A by E plus 0. So now X squared plus A squared E squared minus 2AEX plus Y squared, that is LHS at this side as it is, which is equal to, you multiply this E squared with all the terms. So you get E squared into X squared plus e squared into a squared by e squared minus 2 into e squared into x into a by e plus 0. So you don't write 0. So now you get x squared plus a squared e squared minus 2aex plus y squared, which is equal to e squared x squared. E squared and e squared will get cancelled. 1e and 1e will get cancelled. So we get plus a squared minus 2ae, that's all, minus 2ae, aex. So plus minus 2ax will get cancelled. Here x squared minus e squared x squared, that is, here this is the like coefficient. This LHS side you are having x squared. In RHS side also it is e squared x squared. So it will come to this side with minus sign, minus e squared x squared plus y squared, which is equal to a squared into this a squared e squared will go to this side, a squared e squared. Now taking this x squared as a common factor, so remaining one is 1 minus e squared plus y squared, which is equal to a squared into 1 minus e squared. Divide throughout by a squared into 1 minus e squared. So you get x squared into 1 minus e squared by a squared into 1 minus e squared plus y squared by a squared into 1 minus e squared, which is equal to a squared into 1 minus e squared by a squared into 1 minus e squared. So 1 minus e squared, 1 minus e squared will get cancelled. This side will get cancelled. So the remaining is x squared by a squared plus y squared by a squared into 1 minus e squared, which is equal to 1. So now put a squared into 1 minus e squared equal to b squared. The equation will become x squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared, which is equal to 1. This is the standard equation of the ellipse. Here, from the diagram of the standard form of the ellipse, this a dash is called major axis, and the length of the major axis is 2a, and this b dash is called minor axis, and the length of b dash is 2b. Here see here the line segment from the center point C to A, CA and CA dash is called semi-major axis, and this length is A. Similarly, from the center C to B, CB and CB dash is called semi-minor axis, and its length is small b. So by symmetry we have S dash, that is another focus minus AE comma 0, and another directrix L dash in the same ellipse. So we have in the ellipse two foci, that is AE comma 0 and minus AE comma 0, and two vertices A dash with A comma 0 and minus A comma 0, and two directrices x equal to A by E and x equal to minus A by E.